Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I just got a part that showed up from eBay. It's actually it's a part from my mom's car. What happened was that her side mirror for her driver's side, a lady accidentally, she had like a lifted truck and she hit my mom's side mirror and completely broke it. The actual part for eBay showed up today, so I'm just gonna install it real quick. Gonna replace it because she's been driving the car without a side mirror, and it's kind of dangerous because you can't really see her blind spot, so she's pretty much just turning her head when she has to merge lanes, and at the same time she can get a ticket from the police because there is no side mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the side mirror, and then from there I'm actually gonna do an oil change on the 240 because it's time to do an oil change on the S13. I haven't done an oil change in like, dude, I want to say like 4 or 5 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the oil, just double check on everything else, the radiator, see if it actually has coolant, and also I'm gonna check the spark plugs as well and see if they're nice, they're good to go still, or if not, I will also replace them. I don't have any replacements at the moment, but I'll probably do that on another video. So we're in the lovely RAV4. I actually have the new part here. You guys can see me record. This is the new part that's gonna go on the passenger side. You also have the cover plate for it. If you guys want to see the actual damage, the lady actually hit my mom's car pretty good. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it in the camera. This is where she hit my mom's car. I think she had those Nerf bars, so those Nerf bars came around and just smacked my mom's car. And then if you guys keep coming, if you guys can see as well here, I guess like a metal trim that she had hit my mom's car as well. But the insurance covered everything, so that's okay. The real damage is actually this side mirror. It's all taped up, but we're just gonna replace it with a new one because I think she told me that she was driving in the freeway and this was like flapping around, so we'll go ahead and replace that. So let's get started. So I'm looking for my tool bag. I think I left it in the backyard, so let me go ahead and grab it and then we'll get started on swapping it out. And then I actually have to bring the 240 back here so I can do the oil change and check everything else. But yup, my tool bag is right here, so let's go fix this side mirror. It's pretty simple to replace. You just need it's only held on with the 10mm bolt, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. And then there's a sensor because it's power windows. We'll go ahead and take off that sensor, replace it, and we're good to go. Whoops, I lied. There's actually some screws that are tucked in here. You guys can see that, so I had to take off this panel in order to get the side mirror off, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. So everything is put back into place. Right now I'm just gonna check the electrical, see if it's actually working, but it wasn't that hard to replace. This is the new side mirror. Look how super shiny it is. So that's how it looks. There's actually one bolt on top, and then you have to pull the panel just a little bit, and there's 2 bolts on the bottom. When you're putting it back, it has this arc right here, so if you guys see that, it has an arc like that. That's normal. So right now I'm actually gonna just put the car into the on position just to double check and see if the electrical is working. I'm also gonna roll up the window, so go ahead and put it on the on position. Go ahead and roll up the window real quick, see if anything's messing up when you roll up the window. Super smooth, cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move the side mirror real quick. So we're gonna go to left side and then right. So I'm gonna go ahead and click left, and I'm going to move it in 3, 2, 1, and everything is working. Yo, what's up, dudes? But yeah, everything is working. I know when on the listing in eBay they said to double check to see if the electrical is working. If not, you can go ahead and return them and they'll give you a new one. So that's pretty much it. So right now I'm actually gonna get the 240 and I'm gonna roll it to the back so we can do the oil change, check the coolant level and the spark plugs as well. But yeah, let's go check it out. In the 240, gonna start her up real quick. I'm gonna push it to the back real quick, that way we can do the oil change. And it's getting dark pretty fast, so I'm probably just gonna do the oil change and then and I'll check the spark plug tomorrow. So let me go ahead and move this to the back. We're gonna throw it on that side over there. So that was pretty easy. Got some bricks in order to jack up the car. Got my jack right here. So let me go ahead and jack up the car real quick. And yeah, we could do this oil change. I went ahead and removed the bolt. Regular 240 maintenance, nothing special. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like super dark, but yeah, the oil's coming out. Sorry that it's like super dark. Where I live, there's actually like a big hill behind us by our house, so it gets like super dark around, bro, it's already like 4 o'clock and it's already dark. Yeah, that kind of kills my time of like doing stuff here, because it gets super dark, and I usually don't like to work at night, especially here, because it gets super cold outside, and that's just me to avoid getting sick as well. So we'll see if I do have time to check the spark plugs, but if I don't, then I'll probably do it on the next video. I started up to 240, and lately it's been running rough. I want to say it's the spark plug, since I haven't changed them out for a couple months already, but as you guys can tell, like, I'm already running out of time. But I'll probably go ahead and do that on another video. I just went ahead and checked all the fluids. I topped off the radiator fluid, it needed a little bit. Also topped off the brake fluid and the clutch fluid, so we're good to go. We just have to double check on the spark plugs. I'll probably swing by tomorrow at an auto parts store, just buy new spark plugs and swap them out, because it has like a little, like, the throttle response is pretty like super, it feels laggy. Like when you floor it, it doesn't want to go, like it hesitates to go. It takes like 2 or 3 seconds for it to like actually take off once you floor it. So I'm guessing this is spark plugs, because I haven't changed them out in like months, guys. It's been months that I haven't changed out the spark plugs, but that's gonna be on the next video. So going ahead and remove the jack real quick, because that's done. Go ahead and toss this to the side, and yeah, the car is looking good. I'm gonna bring out my phone because I know it's like super blurry. In a second. There you go, guys. See if it can actually focus. There you go. So I actually spilled a little bit of oil, but that's nothing too major. Let me show you guys what I mean when I actually floor it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside the car real quick. It feels like, I don't know, I actually can feel it when I'm inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the gas pedal, and you guys can hear it as well. Look, I don't know, it has like that high pitch at the end. Doesn't sound too good. I don't know, but we're just gonna go ahead and change out the spark plugs tomorrow, so that's also another video for you guys. I went ahead and parked the car back where it was at. Tomorrow I'll go ahead and replace the spark plugs. It got like super dark so quick, but that's gonna be on, I'm gonna record tomorrow's video, so just be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. It really helps the channel out. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. I am dropping some stickers on Friday, so be on the lookout. There's some new stickers. I think I have them somewhere. I don't know how. If you guys follow me on Instagram, or if you follow the initiate page on Instagram, you guys will know when the stickers are gonna drop. But what else? Yeah, turn your guys' notifications on, because we're gonna be dropping more videos, guys, trust me. But like always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.